Finally got my GoPro to work. It was just the SD card. It didn't work. As you can probably tell, I'm not in my bed. I'm in...
Or my house coat.
Yeah, or my house. I'm in the hospital. Got this thing attached to my arm and stuff. Right there, it's almost done, right? So I'm gonna have to do some other stuff, but I've been in here for the past week, so that's why I haven't uploaded anything to YouTube. And my GoPro wasn't working. So I finally got an SD card today, and now I can finally, I'll be out of the hospital tomorrow. And it's already been a week since I've been in here. I'm tired of this place. Definitely want to go to my own bed. So hopefully I'm gonna get out here by like 10 tomorrow morning.
Best part is he got to spend a week with his mom.
Yeah. Yeah, just laying in this bed the entire time. Kind of sucks. My mom got that for me. My auntie got that. And yeah, so I've just been lounging around basically. Yeah, well, yeah, the reason I'm in the hospital is because apparently somehow, well actually we came for a CT scan because I had like swollen legs kinda, so we thought it was like diabetes related, but my doctor wanted a CT scan to make sure there wasn't like a blood clot in my spleen, because I have like a super large spleen and stuff. Whole bunch of shit wrong with me. Basically what it comes down to. I came for a CT scan to check for my blood clot or whatever, and everything's good there. Nothing there, and then we ran into my doctor that ordered the CT scan, so he's just like, we were eating at that time, and he's like, yeah, just come up or call me when you're done so we can like talk about the CT scan, because he didn't see it yet, and we didn't get any info about it yet. So we went up to his office, and he's like, well, you're being admitted to the hospital. And I'm like, why? Because you have a ruptured appendix somehow. I don't know how that happens. I couldn't feel it, and of course they don't want to open me up and just take it out because there's so much stuff going on in my stomach. It's like impossible to do anything without wrecking something. So they're basically just treating with like meds on that. So I've been on this for a week already in the hospital, and then I'll get to go home finally tomorrow. Except I still have to do this for another 2 weeks. Well, we finally got back from Edmonton, and I'm just about to go back to our hospital or whatever to get my like pump to put the antibiotics and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that, and I'll come back, and I'll see you then. Okay, I just got back home from the movie theater. Watched a pretty good movie. And yeah, well, I already went to the hospital. Like I said earlier, got my whatever pump thing, had a 1 dose already, and I'll have to have another one like at midnight tonight, or yeah. But yeah, I've been kind of playing with this thing. It's like a really hardcore laser pointer. I don't know if you can see it, but on the grass is, how good this one is. Pretty hardcore. Go for like a long time. I was doing it outside my hospital, or like in my hospital, but I was like on the 4th floor, so pretty high, and like during the daytime too. And I was like shining it in front of people's feet, and they're like looking around wondering what's going on, but it's kind of funny. I think I'm gonna do my like physio like that right now and edit this vlog. Probably not gonna be too long. I wasn't able to vlog it much at the hospital, and yeah, so I'll be back hopefully my regular routine. Possibly have to get up really early, but go back to Edmonton for like my diabetic appointment, but I'll try to vlog as much as I can. Maybe I'll take it and like do a time lapse there or something. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it for the vlog tonight. Hopefully you all enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you again tomorrow.